X7CYS WY7KY.
Go ahead, Tom.
Roger, be advised I've got a confirmed funnel probably 3 to 4 miles north of Surrey and Ranch Road, and it has come down. It has not touched the ground yet. Over.
Copy that. WS7CYS. W7ZXL, can you confirm that? Copy that, Darwin. I'll go ahead and let him know.
That is definitely a funnel.
Reports of heat weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Cheyenne.
Funnel cloud just north of us, about 4 miles.
Daylight time for the following county: Laramie, Wyoming. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a tornado warning for tornado on the ground. 3301 control. Tornado on the ground, half debris. It's going to be road 22 and 85.
22 and 85.
Okay, Cizelle City, Kia. Debris on the ground. I don't see any structures in the way. There is a farm that is moving towards. It is a wide tornado.
Yep.
Can confirm tornado on the ground. Yeah, yeah, I'm getting out of here. We're getting a lot of hail. Getting RFD.
WY7KY confirmed tornado on the ground.
It's getting wider on the ground. A lot of debris. It's heading for a farmhouse. Copy that information. They're looking at it on radar and by the eye outside, and
That's
it's
huge.
already been warned. It just touched down. WX7CYS, KY4FU in Albany. Go ahead. Cross Road at Remington Ranch Road 40, got a pretty good low rotation here. Looks like heading northeast. Yeah, confirmed. I'm only maybe a couple hundred yards from it. Copy that. Go ahead and save